Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. I am a new stay-at-home mom and I recently created this channel to share a bunch of homemaking content. Please, if you like this video, I hope that you consider staying and just joining my journey. But anyways, today we're going to be doing a cleaning video, a speed clean. And today we're only going to be doing the first floor of my house. My house is 3 floors. And again, I have a newborn, so I cannot just do this all in one day. So I break it up by floors. And I'm just doing the first floor of my house, which is my bedroom, my daughter's bedroom or her nursery, and one of the bathrooms. I'm just starting off with my bedroom. It has gotten a little bit out of control, I must admit. My daughter recently got her shots, so she's not been sleeping, and she's 4 months, so I think the 4-month sleep regression is kicking in. And I had mastitis a while back, and I have all those water bottles next to my bed. It was just, I haven't been cleaning, okay? Don't shame me. But I like to start in my bedroom, and then it just picks up from there, and then it gives me the motivation to do the rest of the floor. And again, if you're new here, as you can see, the decor in my bedroom is just plain Jane. I shared in my first video where I did my entryway makeover how I moved into this house, kind of a rush, and got married and had the baby and didn't really have time to decorate my house the way I wanted to. So I'm doing a makeover series, and the only makeover that I've done so far is my entryway. But I have a bunch more coming, and this bedroom is one of them, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what I'm planning. So like I said, about a week or two ago, I had mastitis, and that's why I just have those pills by my bed, all those water bottles, and the Tylenol I had for my daughter because, again, she just got her shots and she had a bit of a fever. Now I'm just gonna clear up my dresser because I had way too much stuff on top of it. But I just wanted to point out that beautiful sign that says always kiss me goodnight. It was actually a gift from my realtor. She flips houses, and so that's actually a window from one of her flip houses, an old window, and she like painted it, she frosted it, and then she put that decor, and I love it. And I want to keep it, but I also want to put, for the makeover, a TV there. I don't know if I should put it on my dresser or on the wall. You guys can let me know in the comments what you think will look best, because I still want it to look aesthetically pleasing, but I also want a TV because I want to watch TV in my room. Sometimes I just want to lay in my bed and watch TV, and right now the only TV we have is in our living room. So let me know what you guys think would look best on the dresser. and then just a bit of decor, or should I just hang it on the wall and then decorate the dresser? Now I'm just gonna sweep, vacuum, and mop the bedroom. But I just wanted to ask you guys, because as you can see, I'm using a broom, a little old school, because I just have this big, ugly, bulky vacuum that I only do the rugs with, because doing the floors with them is just unrealistic. But I've been thinking about getting the Hoover. A couple of my favorite YouTubers been promoting it, and I actually looked up the reviews on Walmart and everybody says good things about it. So what do you guys think? Do any of you guys have the Hoover? If so, let me know in the comments. I love that you can also do hardwood floors with it, and then it also comes with a detachable vacuum that you can get small spaces with, and that's what I need, because I want to ditch the broom and ditch this bulky vacuum that you guys are gonna see. So for mopping, these are brand new hardwood floors that we put in during the renovation. And I love this method, squirt and mop. It's so easy for me. I tried Swiffer, I tried all that, because with wood floors you have to be very careful with what you mop with, and I love it. You just squirt it and then just mop it up. Okay, so we're all done in my bedroom, but first, a room does not feel clean to me unless you light a candle. Let me know in the comments if you're the same way. So now I'm going to be doing my upstairs bathroom. I'm not going to be doing the tub because it is the tub that my daughter bathes in. So I am constantly cleaning it and just disinfecting it, so that I don't need to do. But the rest of the bathroom does need a good wipe down. So ever since this pandemic started, I've got used to using Lysol wipes to wipe down my bathroom and just other stuff around the house. I used to do it with just a bathroom cleaner and a washcloth, but Lysol wipes been working and I'm gonna continue to do it. But watch as my camera falls down and then falls down here again. Does anybody know of a good tripod that I can buy? Let me know in the comments because I desperately need it. Cleaning bathrooms are my least favorite task when I'm cleaning. Does anybody agree? Let me know in the comments. If not, what is your least favorite space to clean in your home? So we're all done in here, but again, it does not feel clean unless you light a candle. But anyways, now that I'm done with the bathroom, I'm gonna move on to my daughter's nursery. But first, I'm going to fix this photo that has fallen down ages ago in my hallway. And it's just something that I've been procrastinating on, and it's so easy to do. I don't know why I haven't done it, but now that I've done it, it just feels so much better. So I hope this gives you motivation to just fix those little things that you've been putting off. You feel so much better once you do. So now for my daughter's nursery, yes, that is my wedding dress still hanging there. So when we moved in back in March of 2020, we had just gotten married and this room wasn't being used. It was never intended to be a nursery, but we actually got pregnant straight after the honeymoon. So that wedding dress was just there because it was just an extra room, so I just hung it there until I was able to clean it. But then it became her nursery, and yeah, it's still there. I'll be taking it down and then just cleaning up in this room. It's not much heavy cleaning that needs to be done, just a lot of picking up. This room is not used at all because she's still in the bassinet in my room, so I'm just going to be tidying up a bit. All these clothes that were there are just new clothes that I've been needing to wash, so I took them downstairs. Now this towel hook is another one of the small tasks that I've been procrastinating on. It fell ages ago and I don't know why I haven't put it up, but I just did that, and then I'm just going to clean up her dresser. Okay, so we're officially done with the floor. Even though I didn't clean the entire house because I didn't have the time, it still feels good to just get the ball rolling and get at least some cleaning done. So if you only have a little bit of time, I hope this motivates you to get whatever you can done in the time that you have. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.